Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable File Manager app on any Vivo phone. Now, as you can see, the File Manager app on our smartphone has been disabled and we cannot find it in the home screen or on the app drawer. Now, to enable the File Manager app, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From here, just tap on See All Apps. And in the search bar, just search the name of your application. Now, just tap on the name of your application. And from here, just tap on Enable. And once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. And from here, you can find the app which you have enabled. Just like that. And this is how you can enable the File Manager app on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.